Good morning from Puerto Del Carmen, and today I've got a little treat for you. We're going to go and have a look at the Fariones Apartments. Now, I've done the Fariones Hotel, I've done the new Fariones Plus, and now we're going to go and have a look at the 3-star Fariones Apartment. So it was Mary and Alfie that got in contact and said, do you want to see our room? Of course I did. So let's get through reception. I'll take you with me. Now, when you get through reception, you come to the pool area. This place is only small, but it's beautiful. It's really got that home from home comfortable feel. Lovely little pool and jacuzzi area with some of the rooms overlooking the pool and some of them overlooking the sea, which you'll see shortly. Now, the garden areas are immaculate here and it's spotlessly clean as well. The rooms are sort of on 3 levels, and up those stairs you'll find a beautiful sun terrace where you can relax with gorgeous views of the sea. The pool, like I said, is beautiful. It's blue, plenty of sunbeds around, but I did see there was quite a few reserved, and there's also a few bubbles if you fancy having a jacuzzi. Room, pool, sun terrace, and of course restaurant on site. This place is bed and breakfast, so there's plenty of people getting their morning breakfast, which is included when you book here at the Fariones. And then during the day, a beautiful bar area where you can get drinks and snacks, plenty on offer, and a lovely place just to sit, chill out and relax. It was short and sweet, so let's go and find Mary and Alfie and have a look at one of the rooms at the Fariones Apartments. Come on. Right then, so here we are. This is actually quite nice. And Mary and Alfie said they're in room 308, which looks like it's over there. They're on the top floor. So hopefully we get some good views. Let's go and give it a knock, look. 308. Enter the little tunnel. And it's this one. Good morning, Mary.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm very well.
Are you ready to show me around the Fariones Apartments?
Come in,
Let's
and
go.
see the castle.
Right then, Mary, thank you so much for showing me around the Fariones. This is the last of the Fariones because I've done the other 2.
You have indeed.
So I really am grateful for you. And we may as well start here because we've entered and we're right next to the bedroom. So take it away. Take me in.
Okay, this is, as you can see, it's the master bedroom, the only bedroom.
So this is a 1-bedroom apartment?
It's a 1-bedroom apartment. I have to say, one of my bench tests in apartments is how comfortable are the beds.
Yeah.
So comfortable.
Excellent.
Absolutely. So
Excellent.
comfortable.
Well, they're Fariones beds, so I would expect nothing less.
Nothing
We've
less.
got some quite nice little decorations.
It's only, and yeah, these are obviously limited too. This is 43 of 77.
Oh.
So only 77 of these in the world.
There you go. Can you get it in your case?
One up down here.
Might be worth a bit of money.
Might get it out of the frame, maybe.
Lovely mirror there.
Yeah, very
and
fancy.
With the windows, you can let in the breeze. But I see you've got a fan because there's no aircon here, correct?
No aircon. As I say, not a deal breaker for us.
Yeah.
The fan is fine.
Yeah.
We move that around. We've brought it out to the terrace. We've had it in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And we leave it on all night.
Fabulous.
Perfect.
Little bit of storage.
Loads of storage space. We have a safe.
Right. Fabulous.
And plenty. All our clothes are in there.
There
Cases
you go.
are empty.
There you go. And mirrored as well, so you've got plenty of places to look at yourself, haven't you?
Big mirror there, dressing table mirror, and probably too many places to see myself.
Fabulous.
But,
and I presume behind you now is the bathroom. Come on.
This is the bathroom. I think we can both fit in.
You reckon?
Which is always a good sign.
Oh, well, there you go.
Now,
Usually it's just me.
It is a bath, not a shower.
Okay.
And the tiles are a little bit funky.
A little bit dated.
Yeah, probably in keeping with an older kind of thing.
Yeah.
Probably could do a bit of modernising, but it's clean. The water is scalding hot. The pressure is fantastic. They left us shower gel, shampoo, soap. They change the towels every day.
Brilliant.
What more do you want in the bathroom?
What more do you want? And a hairdryer as well.
And the hairdryer for the ladies out there. It's a brilliant hairdryer.
Oh, there you go.
Some of them,
it's a black Mambo hairdryer. I mean, what more could you ask for? I mean, powerful hairdryer.
It does the business.
Another big mirror and your sink area here. So yeah, basic, but exactly what you need.
Does what it says on the tin.
And then the living area.
And this is the living area. So, as I say, it's a self-catering apartment, so
you're self-catering here?
it's bed and breakfast for everyone here.
Right, okay.
Okay, so we do have breakfast downstairs.
Yeah.
They don't do all-inclusive or dinner, lunch or dinner. Only breakfast.
So you can only book bed and breakfast here?
Only book bed and breakfast.
Okay, that's cool, but...
That's fair. But we have, if we want to stay in some night, we have everything we need. The kettle, have to have the kettle.
Yeah.
All your glasses, bits and bobs.
Plates.
We've been to the shops, bought all the essentials.
Mercadona. Them are great crisps, them look.
Oh, I'm looking forward to them.
Chili and lima crisps. I'll tell you what, Mary, you will love them crisps. They're my favourite.
Might have to put a few in the bag going home. And the fridge. Again, we've gone out to dinner every night except one night, but we've sat out on the terrace and just had some cold.
So you haven't actually cooked in here?
I'm not going to go that far on my holidays.
Oh, come on. Well, you're not a tight git like me then. I'd have the whole lot cooking. I'd be cooking.
If there was an oven, I might buy a pizza or something.
Exactly.
But there's no oven.
Well,
so
true.
It's microwave and hot plate. But all the bits are in there. Like,
fabulous.
You know, if you did want to, there's a huge saucepan in there if you wanted to make a stew or something. I don't know what else you'd be doing with it, to be honest with you.
Come on, Mary, get the stew on. Get the stew on. So you've got a little table here, like a little breakfast bar.
It's made for 3.
Okay.
So they literally give you 3 cups, 3 glasses, 3 plates.
Because is that a sofa bed?
This is a sofa bed.
Okay.
But as a sofa, it's really comfortable.
It looks comfortable.
I couldn't sleep one night. I came out here, put the TV on, lay there. Next thing I knew, I was gone.
And you've got a little TV here.
TV's there. We haven't really watched it, but I checked for you.
Oh, good.
BBC 1, BBC 2, ITV 1, Sky News, Channel 4, Channel 5, BBC News, CNN. And Al Jazeera English.
Did you write them down or just memorise them, Mary? You're a legend. You're a legend.
So we have all of those. As Pat said, no RTE, but
no RTE, but there you go.
Who cares?
And then outside. Come on, look at that. I can see the sea.
You can see the sea.
Wow, look at this. That is beautiful. And Alfie's chilling on the terrace. We're going to have a little chat with you in a minute, Alfie. Look at that. You've got a lovely view.
It's really good, yeah. Now, I know if you are booking and you want this view, you have to be specific and say you want a top floor sea view apartment.
Ah, okay.
Because they don't all have this.
No, because you've got the ones down here, which would look over the pool.
Yeah.
Wow, but, there's a lovely little place there where you can sunbathe. You can see the new shopping centre just over there, the Socko Shopping Centre, where I've parked the car.
I mean,
I like it.
Location.
Oh, it's perfectly located. Yeah. And you can actually see the other Fariones over there, the hotel.
You can see the 4 and the 5 star.
So we go 5, 4, 3.
Down to us.
There you go. There you go. That is beautiful. Well, look, we are going to have a little chat on this huge terrace here with these lovely chairs. And Alfie's going to join us and we're going to have a chat all about your holiday, all right? Fabulous.